To start, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and make sure it's fully updated. Keeping the app updated will help avoid bugs and give you access to the latest features. Now open the Cash App. Here's something to know. By default, Cash App is already set to auto-accept most payments. That means if someone sends you money, whether it's a friend, family member, or even a business, it should go straight into your account. To confirm this, tap the Activity tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will show all your recent transactions. If you see a payment with a plus sign next to it, that means money was added to your balance automatically. For example, if I send someone $5, it shows up right away, and there's no need to hit accept. The only time this might not happen is if you're using a business account or if you've changed your settings. Now let's move on to recurring deposits, which is a great way to schedule money transfers into your Cash App balance. Start from the home screen and tap the dollar icon at the bottom left. Scroll down until you see recurring deposits and then tap on it. Now set how often you want money to be added. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly. Then choose the date and choose the amount. For example, you might want to add $50 every month on the 1st to your Cash App balance. Once you confirm the settings, Cash App will automatically move that amount from your linked bank account into your Cash App balance based on the schedule you choose. And that's it. You're now set up for auto-accepting payments and automatic deposits inside of Cash App.